MC around B. Come on, leg attention.
Name na Becca, please.
Sharp. You know, say we don't tell una since. Say as usual, it always be or we always the opportunity. Or it always be our privilege. When the pursue come up for the house, you get any. I'm not taking and he go stick with her forever. You get me a hair. So we get the first set of evicted housemates from the ongoing Big Brother Naija right now. The three of them. What I call them the three musketeers. I don't know musketeers. Not be that they call it that time. Musketeers. We get Beatrice. You told.
As in them Beatrice. That camera no do justice to
you. You not do justice, but you find past the one where they seal.
No, your skin.
I know. You get what you do and make them pursue you. Then we'll find out very soon. So we get Beatrice for the building. Then we get the tallest man right now where I know for Nigeria.
You
right now for Nigeria.
Oh, boss my head.
Niyi.
Yeah, shout out, man.
Okay.
Niyi in the house.
Then we get Polymath. I got familiarized with that name. I think yesterday I actually guessed my IQ of what the Polymath be. But yesterday I got go share Google and I found out say Polymath actually stand for person when know a little bit about every single thing. No matter the topic when you bring on, you must get one or two ideas when you want to talk about that particular topic, and that is impressive. And I want you actually show when you do inside the house. Yerins.
Yerins.
I want almost call it Yerin before, but. So we got the three housemates for the building right now. Welcome to Naija FM. My name is Arambi. This is Becca, please. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We'll start the business now. I want to just ask all of you now together. Waiting you feel say make una be the first set of people to come up for the house Big Brother season 6. What you feel say you do wrong, or what you feel say you don't do, or what you feel say you do when make them remove now from the house? Let me start with Yerins first.
Okay. So for the beginning, so like now two people like nominate us, like the wild cards. Now them get opportunity to nominate us the first week, and I reason say like they see everybody for the house. They just look for those people where they very vulnerable. We never to get click. We if they select, it no go like bother them later in the game. So individually, all of us, we never get like we no get like group of people where if you call one person for this group, the rest go day your matter. So at least for that beginning part, so we they take our time just to put to like indulge into the house.
The whole house,
So we did very vulnerable at that time. Reason saying that's why they come call our name.
Call you now. Okay. I think that one I have answer, but why they not come vote for you to stay the house? You never answer that, but we'll ask her later. So over to Niyi right now. First of all, I be one of those when she say for married man to day inside the house. Now a whole lot of task. And big shout out to Mike. I'll see the regard until today. Mike creates level or standard for married men. Whoever want to go there, say, oh boy, you need to pass this level or do the same level with me. You get. So being a married man inside the house right now, I want to ask you first. I know say you denied the question last time when Buka asked you. You feel say being a married man hold you back when actually not make us see the better part of you, when not make people to find you as somebody to support when voting come up?
No, actually, I don't feel that way, because if I still go the house as single, now what you still see, now you go still see.
You sure?
Yeah, it sure me 100%, because I feel like I do everything when I need to do for the house. I get into arguments, you know, and when it was time for me to catch cruise, I catch cruise. Then
you don't catch enough cruise. Now I make all of us complain, say it was, but I believe it by now you don't say it was boring. They were not giving us what they want. They were not giving us what we wanted.
Yeah, the thing I say, it take me time to actually settle in. You know, that was the thing for me. But when I finally settle in, you know, I just get myself, then the game just take over.
Just kickstart, and it shock you now.
It shock us.
Okay, like the same question to the beautiful lady right now.
For Pere, I never really check people who nominates me, but if you ask me, I go say na Pere.
Now the first thing supposed to come up for the house be that now.
All those ones na
no matter.
Na negative things, and I just want to check them. I just live and the way it in my mind.
Okay.
So I go say Pere nominates me because if he say I know the vibe with other people for the house, you get. And for Maria, they see me as straight. You understand?
threats to
Like,
say-
yes, like she dey see me like say this particular girl, you know, say na street life where people they like. You understand? She can't see the hair. You understand my hairstyle, like my low cut
Okay.
and the color and
Okay.
the way I dey do my things. She just feel say people outside feel just like this girl. You
Na
understand?
reason
The
if you
hair-
say nominate you.
yeah, so she just say okay, be like this one go first come out first. But for Pere she say this one she no be like person one day here. You understand? Her I mean she can't dey go house.
All right, make I ask the next question now for the three of you. So wetin you now feel about, generally wetin you now feel about the housemates?
Then
Wetin you feel about each one of
the
them?
rest has me there.
Yeah.
So for me, all the housemates them they get their own character, they get their own like creative ideas, individual characteristics and all. It gets some way like some of them just come out as very loud. Some of them, the problem is it gets. I don't know whether I'm not sure saying not deliberate, but not their character, but a little bit bullying being the house, and then gossip.
Okay, you see that one as their strategy or just their self?
Self, yeah.
That they are safe because you get one time where some of them being calmed down, but like now because of situation where they don't day for the Big Brother house, but I even tell Niyi say, these people they will bring back their character and they bring them back because no matter how you carry hide yourself,
Your real self must
you
show.
go show. And me, I just nobody bully me personally, but if I see a person they bullied, I they go to that person where they bullied, they need closer to that person. Like
give us some comfort.
Yes, give us some comfort. Just there around that person, maybe all those kind of things. So all people been there like that. Also like these all heightened emotions. People get that kind. They know if you just they calm or some people feel say if they shout now that time they go the person go hear you. Talk calmly and all that. But all the same, all not part of the game. Now those kind of things.
But what if, because you're not one of those, for you to speak from this angle right now, you're not one of those when don't do any of those things you're talking about right now. You feel say I wish you shout, you for remember for the house. Because we like quarrel for this country.
I know.
Now they give us quarrel, now we take as content.
You see the thing, you get this toxic thing where
when we like,
where we not like, where Nigeria
not
like,
saying all of us like, not classify.
Okay, where we like,
yes,
where as Nigerians like, and the thing affect people for Big Brother house.
Yeah.
You get one time where Sasuke they cry, say why it be say because of. You get one thing where Ebuka talk for the one of or the Sunday, the first Sunday.
The first Sunday.
We say we know they to do everybody for house that day. Can't they want everybody to do truth and dare? Truth or dare. I say truth or dare. And then like they can't they like push the whole like make una do
so that made
and all, like, be yourself, man. Like just be yourself. I know say that drive day, but like
if you want to be yourself, not be for Big Brother, my brother. If you want to be yourself, not be for Big Brother. Big Brother,
no. You see, if you understand, if
I
you
know
don't
where you
watch,
come
if
from.
you
You're
don't
the
watch
try.
other country Big Brother, no be so it.
Nah, Nigeria Big Brother be this, my brother.
Nigeria Big Brother, but like you can't be yourself at the same time. So you know, just got bent to the public because everybody wants that particular.
But you involve in yourself, even in that truth or they not see you pair with.
And Niyi, because Niyi they married. You know what I mean? Person tell
this truth or that thing, na me start am. Na me actually.
But you not come partake again.
I not partake again.
When you notice that they say make the open body, you can't do this.
No, the thing I say, I actually first set Pere up with what be her name now, Seth?
Maria.
No, Angel.
Angel, okay.
Yeah, because I see say Pere wants the thing where he wants that fire. So now me first set up that fire for.
Hold on, he want fire from Angel body, everybody
not just
body.
Angel. He just find that vibe, he wanted that
period of a
connection.
guy said we need to look into the matter.
Yeah, so now me first start the whole thing, but
okay.
I see say man, everybody just wants that kind of energy, and I don't go give that kind of energy for the house.
But for you to start, why at least for see participate more now? You just not because you didn't marry the whole you. May your wife. No, first of all, where your wife did?
She did Cape Town.
He did Cape Town. I believe say she did watch. I prior to before they invite you for Big Brother, and I don't settle down get the conversation. Say I'm going here. This is what I might possibly do. Hope you not go affect my marriage with you. This and that. And she go just say okay, no problem. Go for you to go. Except say maybe say me you not go there. You can't use stubborn head take come.
No. So me and my wife we get that understanding. Actually, she don't really know about Big Brother.
Okay.
Even social media no be saying like our team. Even the small TikTok when we do, now me bring out all those things from her. So the conversations when we get not really serious like that.
That's okay.
So even like shower hour, we don't even discuss them. I don't know whether I go naked bath or I go wear boxers bath. But as I reach the house,
you notice a whole lot of different things.
Not just the same way I for portray myself. Now I see portray myself and stuff. Then about the housemates, every one of them as in very wonderful individuals,
Yeah.
you know. Except for Pere, me and Pere no just get along. And
We
when
notice.
we fight, you know, it just.
Yeah, why
kind
you
of-
and Pere not get along? If you say in the
So
you know,
I think the
straightforward.
third day him be points me out or something for kitchen like say I'm on that guy free that guy.
Be like saying I get one bread.
No, not be even that one across.
Okay.
Okay, that cross.
Pere, me and Pere had an issue like the third day when he be saying say that guy Niyi I beg and I give him warning say my man no
Me
follow
not
me talk
talk
all those
am
kind of
again.
things again. So when he come up as white card, I know say I they come up.
Come up.
But your own, you actually shock us.
Because we not expect you to come on
He
so
shock
soon.
us. He
But
shock us.
we can't feel say now because say maybe you not do the things when people expect you to do and people expect you to do now. Why
so-
they not?
So the thing I say normally I suppose go the
Because the people
house.
where they carry can't replace you now.
Yeah.
They are not good.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
are not good.
So me normally I suppose
Yeah.
go the house go do single man normally na my
Yeah,
plan before but
but-
as I connect with the guys first
Now
I
you
can't see
just-
them as family I
family,
can't
now
see
you
them make
talk.
I just open up with them.
You for your keep that singleness.
All
Oh.
right, Beatrice, let me
Beatrice.
come to you. Before I go enter that fight, which between you, Licorice, and
Angel.
What do you feel about the housemates so far?
The housemates, I go say everybody for there, they no be themselves. Everybody just everybody
If you
just
say everybody
dey
play game.
Yes, everybody just dey
So
play
what
game.
you can talk about
Especially
you?
when me, I be just dey myself. Oh.
You sure
Like
say you dey
normally when you
yourself?
enter place, you go want try to understand people before
Yeah,
you begin dey
observe.
shake body. You understand? So me, I just dey there, they observe first before I go begin shake body. But it shocked me say everybody just begin dey shake body. So the thing just shocked me say how these people they take do am. Just enter here, but body they don't
They do totori.
You understand? So especially when Ebuka can tell us that thing on Sunday, say we dey boring, no.
People
I
come dey
just
wan put
switch.
effort.
People just begin dey
Wan
switch.
cause
They cause
quarrel.
them. I say, hey, now like this the thing they happen. So
Okay, I think I want to ask now because of what you can't talk make you because at first you felt one day friendly with almost everybody. Then the next you just start to dey stay on your own. What really happen at that time? Because what you can't talk or now something went trigger you inside the house.
now something may trigger me inside the house.
From who
And
actually?
That I no go even fit talk am. I just want keep am to myself.
So you like hold on, no more talk. You got talk and I hear with the talk truth. Now say you like boy, another girl can't show interest.
No be say I like where another person can't show interest to. You get wetin person tell me, I just try on the reason. I'll just try one understand that when that person talk before I begin the.
Now girl tell you, I been a boy tell you.
Now girl tell me. So I be just one reason I observe the thing where before I begin to react. So I just decided to just chill. Just
Then
leave
come they
everybody
deal on your
first.
own, come
No be
they.
say I just dey do on my own. Now I just dey observe for there where I do. They observe mad. I know everything they
So
happen
which
for
boy
that
you be
house
dey
like that.
close to for inside the house
Na
really?
white money now.
White money.
White
But you not
money
express
like
your
that.
feeling, not shoot, you
No
not
be that
shoot.
feeling kind of thing.
So you not get
Calm
one way
down.
get that feeling time for inside the
I
house.
had feeling for one person though, but not the strong one.
Who be that
The
one?
first time now, Pere, like the first time.
Almost
you
everybody
understand?
get
But
interest
you
for
know,
Pere, yeah.
So that time, I just want you make you dey chase me. Now, you know as they do and
But you not be
that.
chase, you can't go dey chase Maria.
You know,
No, na Maria
he
you
chase
call
me
her.
small, low, but you know talk am out. You
Oh,
understand? Just let me know say, bitches, I like you. You understand? And the way me talk that inside, I go
As he
say,
chase you, why you not chase him back?
no, I be the way me tell and say, guy, give me 2 months. Let me think about it.
Oliver Twist.
Let me think about it. If I know the guy don't switch.
You
You
get
don't
a
move.
compliment when you give Yerins the first time you say you enter inside the house. You say you never see anybody wey get naturally brown teeth before.
Yes.
That one a compliment, I been an insult.
No be insult, na compliment.
Your
because-
math's not good, first of all. Because now me I for best for you small.
Here is you vex. You know
Nah,
vex.
cool guy.
Listen, na cool guy.
Maybe now come to you, Angel and Licorice. Waiting be that thing, gong. Wait, cause that big we shall between
You know,
the
say
two
me,
of
I dey
you.
like this sincere. So even if she come out here, I go still stand my ground. Say Licky Rose, sorry, she know they like my call and Licky Rose. Okay, Rose, na person who they try to make her understand. Say, see this Emmanuel guy. We know say Emmanuel like your personality, but this guy he like your personality for another person body. You understand? He like hot girls we get those things and those
no,
kind
they
of
don't.
things. You understand? And now Licky Rose na person we don't they see online. You cannot compare filter with real life.
Yeah.
So as he can't come the house, he can't say, okay, that when they see for filter,
He not there
they there.
again.
But that person, na she,
Na she
you
is still
understand?
there.
That's personality, na still she.
She.
So if to say go fit carry.
The filter
maybe-
when you see for Instagram, can't join the
come
personality inside the house.
inside
If
the
for
house,
they
if
okay
for
with
they
her.
alright. So now if you can't watch the show, you go see say Queen they go near him and the guy just they comfortable
Comfortable
with
with
that. You
her.
understand? Because say if they see small personality where they for Queen. for liquor,
But then they see some for Queen.
But based on say, you don't already start with liquor, it go just like to day there.
Yeah. I get. So now the advice you be given when you make.
Okay, so the advice, it was not. We were not actually. We know the advice.
Now you discuss.
We just discuss and no be gossip because we know say she be dead there, and we be they laugh so that people. You understand? So if now gossip, we go laugh small, but they laugh out and we know say people go feel wake up, they hear us. You understand? So for her, she's supposed to come ask us, say, okay, why now they talk about me like this? Instead, she just carry go tell these people where they involved, can't change the whole story. You understand? So when later when Angel come confront her, she can't they beg Angel say, me Angel no vex, say she supposed come ask, say she be no here where. So on my own side now, where she don't go beg Angel, why she no come beg me? The thing whole thing can't be like now because of me, where she can't make the where she can expand the whole quarrel.
Yes. Okay, not be say anything serious.
Nothing serious. Go on. Nothing serious.
Okay.
All right, make her come back to you, Niyi.
Okay.
Niyi, at a point when you just enter into the house, I see say the vibe with there between you and E-Money. I don't know why they call
White money.
So at a point, it can't be like saying I can't they drift apart.
Yeah.
What thing actually caused the drifting apart between you and White Money?
So when I first entered the house, the first person when I connect with Nasami.
Okay.
So after Sami, I connect with Tega.
Okay.
So after Tega, I can connect with White Money. So I just did on that verge of connecting with everybody.
Okay.
You know, getting to know everybody. Now when I reach this man, now my ship stop. I'm not gonna sail again. But White Money, yeah, I just love the fact, say, person just day when just love to see people come together.
Yeah.
You know, and me, I love food a lot. So the thing just amazed me. Say, man, this guy.
Somebody did like that, ready cook for everybody.
Yeah, as in, I don't forget I'm off my head. The last person when I see like that, now my mom, and
man,
being a guy like that just blew my mind.
Okay. Anyway, Yerins, I know say you be get a lot of plans when you supposed to showcase inside the house, but unfortunately they don't pursue come up for the house right now. I really like know waiting be the next phase for Yerins right now.
Okay, so I just as I come out from the house, you know, before I enter the house, I've been work on some things, you know, but like the idea be say, you know, late 2019, now I'm from Nigeria after like 8 years outside the country.
So when you mean outside, where Ghana or Benin Republic?
I study for Ukraine medicine 6 years, but before I even go Ukraine, I've been go other countries.
Okay.
So as I come Nigeria, the reason why I even come now because I want like, you know, push myself to the hardest, you know, inspire people for my place, you know, all the things where I don't learn.
For the field of medicine or?
No, generally mostly creative parts too, you know, people, to the idea we say if you start from almost nothing, build something, you know, if you push yourself, you know, because, you know, I've been very comfortable out there, you know, but I won't push myself, you know, okay, so as I come, so now the team be say, I get plenty plans, but right now I got like take my time, arrange everything
down.
So the idea of polymer maybe say I go do everything at once, but arrange everything, plan
at a
one
given stage.
and yes. So work on one thing, make sure that it come out very, very well, then work on the next thing.
Which guy you be getting interest for the house?
Well, at the beginning, Alicorus.
So what you come up as Emmanuel overtake you, now give up?
No, be Emmanuel overtake me. I tell her, I even tell her say I like her, and I even tell her say Emmanuel like her. It did after I tell her.
You like her because of the filter for Instagram or when you see her?
No, I don't even know her.
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know my Liquoros before?
I don't know. And that's why she did very comfortable with me. I just they see her as like no even know her.
Okay.
So like I like now the first person me be the first person where she talked to for the house. We talk about interesting stuff. So she can't.
The only shit you be facing for day close.
She start to talk about rap. Me I be rapper. I like look. She can't talk about artists where she like. It can't bond, you know. So we can't start some. But like we they talk, we be friends. I tell her say I like her, and she can't say. Yerins, are you asking me out? I call the stammer because I call the stammer. Okay.
Before you move to Niyi, still to Yerins. So Yerins, now maybe say you don't enter entertainment because going to Big Brother and House, you don't enter entertainment. So how you feel? So you feel combine entertainment and medicine together?
Like so my idea of waiting, I won't go into medicine. I'm more of like research and you know on more learning and just you know no be 9 to 5 basically.
And not want you to stay hospital.
Yes, I know they do that. You know, I'm very interested in neuroscience or our brain and all that. neuroscience. Yes, just how the brain works. And, so I'm very interested. Probably I go take small time, study more about then create more things, do research, solve issues. Many things there about our brain we never know. So now I did very interested in that. But no be now. Now I did in this creative part. Art, music, fashion. Exactly.
Explore more.
Anything where I go come out with go be masterpiece. I promise you.
Good. Over to Niyi right now. The first one for us now. You and your wife don't talk since.
We don't rub body, no be small.
You in Nigeria?
No, she not in Nigeria.
How you take the rub body from it?
I'm on our mind. We rub now body to me.
Okay, so the question when go certainly there everybody mind right now be saying, waiting the next for Niyi. You they go back South Africa, or you want to stay here, then explore more opportunities when this competition don't give you, or when this has not actually present to you.
I go there. You
want to leave your wife?
No, my wife they come Nigeria always, so that one no be problem. She don't come Nigeria like 4 times already before.
Okay. How long are they married though?
We've been married for 1 year, but we don't date together for 4 now.
4 years. 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to stay in Nigeria?
No, 3 years and 1 year married.
1 year. That's 4 together.
Yes.
Okay, so you want base for Nigeria right now.
Yes.
So what you would expect to see Niyi? You want to go start basketball? You want to go?
No. I get injury, so basketball is out of it.
Okay.
I did into my fantasy gaming, LXG to the world. Shout out to LXG. Then also I involved for entertainment. I like acting. Then I want to explore modeling.
Exactly.
Then
because modeling go fit. The suits where you wear now not be coat. You enter body wear.
So I want to explore every opportunity when entertainment gets to offer me. They are available to anything at all. We will make magic.
Okay. What be your favorite game? Big brother they always give a competition.
You
get
now
your arena games.
from you, head of house.
Head of house.
I really.
But you not feel collect
I just get unlucky with the team. Well, I try because I be look forward to the whole if they gather all the points.
Point together, okay.
Yeah, without specificity win small team from there.
But they don't cut and shot for you.
They cut and shot.
You win HOH, who be among the female?
You for carry go as a married man.
I for carry Tega.
Okay, take an anyway, they didn't talk say sin committed married man is sweet. Okay, back to Beatrice right now, the beautiful young lady. I don't try think waiting you feel possibly explore more with this new opportunity when they are from right now. Firstly, before you enter the house, I really want to know what you be the focus on before you enter the house.
Now the fashion modeling.
Modeling.
Make people see me. People know say.
We don't see you already. You said.
This is baby get fine body for cloth.
But you not showed you not really explore the possibility of the body.
You not see.
I don't see. Okay. Now they show things up and down. The one where you move yourself. Okay, but you not sure anything. Not mind me. Now so we do. So right now, what will be your major focus right now? Still on that same lane?
Major one, my own brand, my clothing brand, Inganga by Beatrice.
I know you. Inganga. That it be like swear name. Okay, beauty.
Yes.
For
Inganga by Beatrice.
By Beatrice. Which language be that?
Igbo people they call Inganga too. My own people, Eleme people, they call her Inganga too.
Inganga, okay.
So it means the same thing, beauty.
Okay. So apart from that, which other?
So that Inganga by Beatrice, coming down, make I tell you where.
No problem.
So the Inganga by Beatrice, we no get any clothes now. Don't finish for now. They don't even get one to wear. They come out now. So we they create new things for people.
Right now.
And then the ones they create, the one they do before now for sexy people, for small girls alone. So now they do it for both old, young, we do it for everybody now. And then my modeling agency too, you understand? So we don't they finish the site. So very soon go begin they register people. So make them they ready.
Modeling.
So these two now be my major ones. But for me, everything they open for me. Like acting, they
everything your day open.
Action movies, I feel punch person.
Wow, that means I made the question one ask next. Okay, acting then.
Acting, everything. I'm open for everything.
Okay, so you see yourself for that same lane?
if I see myself for that same
I
don't really understand because I never really go out. You understand? I never come.
But by then, you supposed to know who they stand you. Understand who they stand you or not.
Stands, so then plenty people will love me like this. I shock say, so people feel like me like this. Till now, I see the shock. I don't know how to take even start.
You know what? I want to prepare my mind because I feel yours next week. They feel your best buy car for you.
For the GoFundMe and for the car. Yeah. Nobody they reject better thing. If better thing come, I collect them. You understand? So I no go reject them. And people will love me and I waiting them give me. I go collect them with my whole heart.
All right, me I want to ask now the three of now, still the three of now. Waiting, you now go miss about the house. Then you go give us your guess who you feel say go be the winner of this year Big Brother Naija.
Okay. From what you don't see so far since you come up for the house.
Yeah. So waiting I enjoy for the house.
Waiting you go miss.
Waiting I go miss for the house. I go miss Big Brother.
You miss a voice.
But at the same time, you know, the atmosphere, so, you know, that feeling, say you dey inside something where they just bigger than you. You know, that, you know, once in a lifetime, you know, experience and all that. You know, the feeling they very rare. And, you know, just the vibe with everybody. Amazing people, you know, very creative people. When I see our first presentation. So very creative people, amazing people. You know, I go miss all of them. And then just the idea, say I dey inside this Big Brother house. Who I feel say go win. For male, I really say white money get very big chances. He get lovely following and all that. For females, I still dey talk say na Sasuke. I like Sasuke and I feel say she get this kind of character we never come out, but people go love at the end of it.
Very so. Sasuke when see God done, self to fear God. He go the form down on top. Come go they cry
she
later.
Buy market,
like that, they cry.
But she they mark her territory too. Now let she play the game where she see threats, folk threats. Other people they see people where know they this thing just because
Okay. So I want to ask because need next to you now. I want to answer this one during this question when Becca already asked. What people now take on top the new housemate when they pray come? Because I believe that one be like shock to everyone. All of them open my like, I believe that some of them they be like say I go really come out today as they don't replace me. So answer that one, Jen and them.
So like it surprised me. The thing surprised me.
You not believe?
But like you know. From the beginning, even the process to enter the Big Brother house, you know if you predict anything.
Will happen.
Like at even the last second, until you talk to Ibuka, you know so
because I say they pack a lot of an apple for hotel.
We don't go talk about that one like that. But the thing.
Not true now. They pack a lot of and get it for pick four from Kwara.
So, but anyhow, the thing,
So you know why they talk this one? Because if you shock us, they bring 4 additional housemates come next week again.
You not go know. You know if you predict.
Because the idea be say for hotel room now.
The idea of Big Brother say you know if you predict anything.
Now the twist of everything.
Yes, now the twist. And now they make them interesting.
Big Brother, be careful. Niyi, over to you.
Big Brother, Now real Big Brother. You know that kind of Big Brother when you say, you say, take tickets, they come meet me for America.
Nah, be this one.
Now that kind of Big Brother, so it can shock you at any time.
Okay.
Those housemates actually shock me.
Yeah.
When I see the other guy enter, I look and I say, okay, this guy is slim, he get height small. When I cuckoo tell me now, make I carry my look, you know. And when I talk to Big Brother for this thing, the way they follow me talk, diary room, he say good luck, wish you luck. I say now so did they start. So yeah.
Going to comedy too small. Okay.
So now so the team be about the housemates who go win. Yeah. Well, when we come out, we say white money. But for me, if they say make I really give anybody, you understand, I go give them to Sasuke. I feel like she has a great potential in her when people never really pay attention.
She better quit show am before they pursue am.
Yes, now just the way the thing be. Yeah, she be very, very amazing girl, and for such age, you know, it did very, very. Wait till she get the phenomenal.
Before you go move to Beatrice, I just remember say you get one conversation with a Big Brother. You say Angel, they always can't look you where they bath.
Angel boss my Angel.
So what happen?
Because for bathroom sessions, right? We get one kind thing of that kind of privacy, you know. Not be waiting we talk about, but everybody just they private. This one go enter shower, wait. Angel bust my door like 6 times.
What did they look for? You not sure?
I don't understand though.
Because you talk, so they imagine that say you go still you get.
Now very lovely girl, but I also.
So So Angel not see wetin he call you for.
She not see him. I make sure say she not see him.
Four times he come before he win. So
he won't put me for a problem where I know if he come out from.
we go discuss this in your affair later. Over to Beatrice right
for
now.
The housemates,
Yeah.
You know, say when these two, you understand, they had to see 3 people go the first day.
Yeah.
So when these 2 guys then go, they can't bring 2 guys. I can't say okay. I don't relax. No, the first one go, I dey relax. Now the second one we come inside, I can't say Niyi go. But my first you understand? Because that one just carry something, say be like Niyi body.
Yeah.
So when Niyi can't go,
replacement.
and if you notice, I cry because I feel say me I don't dey safe. The person
already.
don't go. So I can't cry say Niyi will be the only person where they watch my back when white money they cook for kitchen.
Yeah.
Now Niyi they day with me they just don't go. So I can't begin they cry based on say me I don't dey safe. I can't see one baby enter. So yeah, replacement.
And what we notice about that baby enter, he carry a strap. You understand? I swear, I see your face. Oh God, they don't bring my replacement.
I don't say, replacement don't call. Yeah, Angel can't collect money. I don't they go.
Yeah, I noticed the way you take give her the money.
Angel, why we say now only one briefcase you carry go? Because normally if people they enter Big Brother, they go carry every.
I be they send the rest come.
So now when they make them feel say you be white card, be that.
Say I carry one bag.
They say now only one bag you carry.
Name the thing. No say if you know the inside that house,
you know go no. Okay,
I carry 3 bags.
Okay, now one
but
show
one
when
of
you
the bags carry plenty of my shoes.
Okay.
The other one just carry small clothes because most of my clothes now my brand clothes we carry branding and all those things no fit carry enter.
Okay, I see. Okay, going back to who you feel say if you win this season since.
Now white money my guy now. You know say from day one I don't get that positive vibe saying this guy gets one kind of
positive just they unique. We always know from the beginning.
Just unique for the house, you understand? Sabi they observe like me. I just feel say we
and they advise you now too.
Hey, get one connection like that. So sometimes I they go meet and say white money, oh yeah, advise me, you understand? Yeah. So even before I come out from the house, I know say white money go get top.
Okay. So sharp right now, I'm gonna just round up with you. We don't know your relationship status. If it's different from the one where you tell us for inside house. So right now, we don't know whether you plan to continue or you plan to start new one.
I they plan to continue and they plan to start new one.
Not confuse me. I asked 2 questions. Answer me straight. The man or boyfriend when you first get outside before you plan to continue with her.
See, you know say this thing. If I say I don't want to continue, fake people go come, real people go come. So I just say they complicated.
You want the open? That one are cheating now.
I don't complicated.
So what will be your type of man if you want?
My type of man. I like dark skin man.
A chocolate.
Tall.
Just let them say me.
No be me.
Just let them say now me. No you don't You don't they describe me since.
Wait, you put out. Nigga, you hang a leg.
No be me hang a leg go.
Who? You hang your leg.
You know say na that drink.
Okay, don't na it don you.
It feel like say na the best. So I say make I put. Okay, so I put my leg for there.
So possibility they say you feel settle down any moment from now. Or you want to explore, enjoy life and the possibility.
No, because I want to explore or enjoy life. I want just take my time. I won't just take my time.
Like how long?
I'm not going to explore. I can't really tell. But I won't take my time. Make I no make mistake again.
You know why they ask?
Why
because it good may find girls they quick make up their mind because as you find so like they fit just the line up for your DM right now. Alpha, come to South Africa, come to this, come to that. So before you know you just enjoy like come if you forget
as
you
get. Like this, so even if say I know marry, I know mind because marriage no be the. Do you understand? No be achievement. So
but
I
that one
know
not me say be feminist, yeah.
Yes, and that one no me say I no want settle down. You understand? I want settle down, but if you no come, I go still happy day like that. After all, I don't get picking.
Oh.
Yeah, she has a son, right?
Oh. How come I escaped that? Where your son day now?
My son day, they alright.
They alright. With the father?
He day with us.
I like that.
We should like that. They ask question. Never answer.
You should be there with us.
Okay, but the relationship with you and the father of the pikin, see they alright.
The papa na better papa. They take care of him pikin.
Okay, but they're not there together. Nah, not the.
I don't
you get why they ask you because people get as you talk to your company say somebody get the picture they don't want progress
no,
again.
I will give you a number. I go ask him by yourself.
You want me person beats me. Anyway, thank you Niyi, thank you Yerins, thank you Beatrice. We really appreciate.